In anything you are doing, you have to be very smart. Okay, so let's compare these two videos, this one and this one. This one is made with SAV sticker, this one is made with SAV Glossy. The both are frameless. Okay, coming to sticker, sticker has its own gum. All right, but this one has no gum. You must apply gum before you start framing. But this one, you don't need any gum. You don't need to apply any gum. It has its own gum. All right, so let's compare the two and know the best method, not just the best method, the easiest method. Let me not say the best, because the both are best. Let me put it, the easiest or the easier way, the faster way of having a frameless picture done without acrylic glass. The boat has no glass, understand? So let's do the comparison ourselves. I'm not the one that will compare it. Let's watch the video.
I got three rules. Okay, they're my three rules of winning. Rule one, the world is a mess. You have to be born with it, and some people aren't, and some people.
Okay, take a look at this one.
I got three rules. Okay, they're my three rules of winning. Rule one, the world is a mess. Okay, the world is a mess, Tony. You have to fight back. You have to have a tough skin. Attack, attack, attack. If somebody comes after you with a knife, you shoot him back with a bazooka. Okay? Rule two, what is truth, Tony? What is truth? You know what's truth? What you say is truth, what I say is truth, what he says is truth. What is the truth in life? Deny everything, admit nothing. You know what's true? What I say is true. And third of all, and most important, no matter how you are, you never, ever, ever admit defeat. You always claim victory. Always.
Alright, between these two videos, you can now do the comparison yourself and know the one you are going for. Alright, as you can see, SAV sticker can give you frameless picture done, beautiful. Still, SAV cross can still give you frameless picture done, perfect. Alright, so within yourself, know the one you are going for. If you are going for this, still good. If you are going for this, still good. Thank you.